What if I told you can travel over 300 kilometers across Portugal in just 3 hours, without driving, without stress, and for less than €40? This is the high-speed Alpha Pendular train from Faro to Lisbon, and honestly, it might be the smartest travel decision you make in Portugal. Our day started early, 5:45 a.m. in Cabanas de Tavira, as we jumped into an Uber bound for Faro Central Station. The ride was smooth and cost €32.98, getting us there with plenty of time before our 7 a.m. departure. Faro Station is small and easy to navigate. Platform numbers are displayed shortly before boarding, and since it's a terminal-style station, everything is directly accessible from the main building. We boarded carriage 4, seats 24 and 26, comfortable, spacious, and exactly what you'd expect from Portugal's premium train service. This was the Alpha Pendular, Portugal's high-speed train, capable of reaching speeds up to 220 kilometers per hour. We actually clocked 224. It's designed for comfort, with wide reclining seats, footrests, air conditioning, onboard Wi-Fi, and basically a quiet, smooth ride throughout. As we pulled out of Faro, the landscape quickly shifted from coastal Algarve views to rolling countryside, giving you a completely different perspective of Portugal. The journey itself is seamless. No traffic, no stress, just sit back and enjoy the ride. Just after 10 a.m., we arrived in Lisbon at Orient Station, one of the city's main transport hubs and the closest to the airport. Total train cost for two? Just €36. For a journey of this distance, speed and comfort, it's exceptional value. Why this earns a return ticket. Fast and efficient, 300 kilometers in just over 3 hours. Incredible value, under €20 per person. Stress-free travel. No driving, tolls, or navigation. Comfort level, spacious seating, and smooth ride. Smart arrival, drops you right into Lisbon's transport hub. This is a 5-ticket travel decision. Simple as that.